I'm ready to make a change.
Yeah, God, I was on the telephone yesterday, so I missed your call, Yeah, God, I'd rather have a word with you or nothing at all, at all. Dear God, I bow down in your presence to say that I'm sorry, Lord. I'm ready to make a change, and I'm ready to make it all right. Dear God, please guide me through it all. But I missed a call yesterday. I know you've been waiting for me to answer the telephone. But Lord, I'm through staring at the telephone, hearing the dial tone. Dear God, I am ready to make a change. You've been calling me all my life. Now I found my way, I found my way. Dear God, we were on the phone yesterday, and we talked for so long. Now I found my way, I found my way. I never knew you, Lord, but today is a brand new day. And I can't believe the call went through. Never knew you had my number, but we talked for so long, God. You have a plan, even before I was born. How can a sinner say I'm sorry? Dear God, for the answer to your question is, I say yes, Lord, use me. Yeah, God, I was on the telephone yesterday, so I missed your call.